In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change iPhone background or wallpaper. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off head over to settings and then scroll all the way down until you find wallpaper. That's where you can easily switch between your wallpapers, and once you find one you want to set as current, just tap right here at set as current, and then we can check that these wallpaper are really set as current wallpaper. And also at that page we can add new wallpaper by hitting at that button. That will open up new wallpaper selector where we can choose from featured, from suggested photos, weather and astronomy, unity, emojis, all these different collections. And also we can set any photo, any emoji as our wallpaper. So let's say I want to choose a photo from my camera roll, so I'm just gonna tap add photos, and that will open up camera roll, and then I can just select all and then scroll down and search for a photo I want to set as my wallpaper. Let it be that one, and after that I can also pinch it to scale. I can zoom it in just like that. Then we can also swipe left or right to apply some filters to that wallpaper, and once we've done with that we can tap at add, and then we can hit at set as wallpaper pair or customize home screen. If you select the first option, you will set this wallpaper on your lock screen and on your home screen. If you tap at customize home screen, you will be able to set different wallpaper for your home screen. I'm just gonna pick first one, and then it will be set as a current wallpaper automatically. That's how you can easily change iPhone background. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.